On Forex market, the value of a currency is given in pips. Pip is an acronym of percentage in point. It represents the smallest change an exchange rate can make. Most currencies are quoted to 4 numbers after the point, so 1 pip equals to 100th of a percent or 0.0001. If euro-dollar changed from 1.0800 to 1.0805, this would be a change of 5 pips. For currency pairs including Japanese yen, the pip value is the second number after the point. If dollar-yen changed from 100 to 103, this would be a change of 3 pips. Exchange rates are usually quoted to 5 figures. The first 3 digits of the quote are called the big figure. Note that some brokers also count the fifth and the third decimal places respectively. They are called pipettes and make the spread calculation more flexible. The third decimal places are for the pairs containing the Japanese yen.
Stay tuned for other titles in this series. They're on the way.